everyone, I am Ashwini Wankhede from Akash Wankhede Academy, Rathinagar, Amravati, and I am going to teach you General Science subject for Standard 8 and 9 for English and Semi-English medium. So today here I am going to give you the full introduction of syllabus of Standard 8. Let's see our chapters. Our first chapter is Living World and Classification of Microbes. In this chapter, I am going to teach you how the living organisms are classified into groups, then 5 kingdom classification and their characteristics. Later on we are going to study about the classification of microbes such as bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae and viruses. Then our next chapter is Health and Diseases. In this chapter we are going to study about what is health, what is disease, types of diseases, their causes, their preventive measures, what are generic medicines, and lastly the lifestyle and diseases. Our next chapter is force and pressure. In this chapter we are going to study about what is force, then contact force, non-contact force, balanced force, unbalanced force, then what is inertia, types of inertia, then what is pressure, then pressure on solid, liquid and gases, then atmospheric pressure, then lastly the beyond force and Archimedes principle. This beyond force and Archimedes principle is very much important for further classes. In this chapter we are having some numericals and we are going to study that also. Our next chapter is current, electricity and magnetic. Current, electricity, potential difference, then electric cell, then lead acid cell, then connecting cells, then magnetic effect of electric current. In this we are going to study about the working and construction of an electric bulb. Then our next chapter is inside the atom. In this chapter we are going to study about the atom. It all started with Dalton's atomic theory, then J.J. Thomson's plum pudding atomic model, afterwards the Rutherford's atomic model, and lastly the Bohr's atomic model. Afterwards we are going to study about the atomic structure, then what is electron, then distribution of electron, then electronic configuration of an elements, then isotopes, and lastly the nuclear reactor. Then our next chapter is chapter number 6, that is composition of matter. In this chapter we are going to study about the characteristics of states of matter, then what are the elements, compound and mixture and their types, then what is solution, what is solvent, and lastly the molecular formula and their balance. Chapter number 7, that is metals and non-metals. In metals and their physical properties, non-metals and their physical properties, then metalloids, then chemical properties of metals and non-metals, afterwards the noble metals, then purity of gold, and lastly the corrosion. Then our next chapter is chapter number 8, pollution. In this chapter we are going to study about what is pollution, what are pollutants, then types of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and lastly the prevention and controls on pollution. The next chapter is disaster management. In this chapter we are going to study about what is disaster and how it should be managed, which precautions should be taken at the time of these disasters such as earthquake, then fire disasters, then types of fire disasters such as class A, class B, class C and class D and class E. Afterwards the landslides, their causes and effects. Then our next chapter is cell and cell organelles. In this chapter we are going to study about the plant cells and animal cells, afterwards the nucleus, then endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi complex, then chloroplast. Next chapter is human body and organ system. In this chapter we are going to study about the external respiration, internal respiration, then human respiratory system, their function and structure, afterwards blood circulatory system, in which we are going to study about the human heart and blood vessels, their function and structures, and lastly the human blood groups. Next chapter is introduction to acid and base. In this chapter we are going to study about what is acid, their properties and uses, then what is base, their properties and uses, and lastly the neutralization process. The next chapter is chemical change and chemical bond. In this chapter we are going to study about the chemical changes and bond equation. Later on we will study about the man-made changes and natural chemical changes. And lastly, we will study about the chemical bond, in which we will study about the covalent bond and ionic bond. Our next chapter is measurement and effect of heat. In this chapter, we are going to study about the sources of heat, then heat and temperature, then we will study about the thermometer, specific heat, working and construction of a calorimeter, and lastly we are going to study about the expansion of solid, liquid and gases. Then our next chapter is sound. In this chapter we are going to study about how sound is produced by using tuning fork. Later on we will study about how medium is necessary for the generation and propagation of sound with the example of electric bell. Afterwards we will study about the frequency of sound waves, then sound and music, then how sound is produced by humans, and lastly we will study about the sound generation by loudspeakers. Then our next chapter is reflection of light. In this chapter we will study about what is reflection of light, then laws of reflection of light, then what is regular reflection of light, afterwards what is irregular reflection of light, and lastly what is kaleidoscope and periscope. Man-made materials. In this chapter we are going to study about all the man-made materials such as plastic and the uses of plastic, then thermocol, adverse effect of excessive use of thermocols. Afterwards we will study about the production of glass, its properties, its types and its uses. Ecosystem. In this chapter we are going to study about what is ecosystem, structure of ecosystem, then land biomes, then aquatic ecosystem. Afterwards we are going to study about the diminishment of ecosystem due to humans, how human activities are responsible for the diminishment of ecosystem, such as increase in population, urbanization, industrialization and traffic. Afterwards tourism, then large dams, and lastly the wars. Life cycle of stars. In this chapter we are going to study about the properties of star, the properties of sun, then birth of stars, afterwards stability of stars, and lastly the end stages of star. Okay, this is the whole syllabus of standard 8. In the next video I will going to teach you the first chapter, that is living world and classification of microbes. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe.